Page 29, Scale Etude. I've had these before for the C major scale and the G major scale, and now we get it for the F major scale. Simply playing an F major scale. If you know the scale, this is going to be easy. If you don't know the scale, you may have a problem. Starting out in the right hand and fourth finger, because when you do an F major scale, that's what you're going to end on. If I do the scale up, I end with fourth finger, so we're going to start with fourth finger going down. The fourth finger on the B flat, then in the right or the left hand, the third major over, you get to do this one sort of. You're not playing the E, you're going to skip it and go straight to the F, and then get the E. They changed it on you just a little bit. Tricky. And then in the second line, you get the scale coming down. Not hard, as I said, if you know the scale. This is in common time. There is one gotcha in this. You got to be careful. Look at the second line in the third measure. The right hand is going to play that F major scale, starting on F and going up. It's no big deal. It's fine. The left hand is going to start on F, play the F major scale going down. Contrary motion, no big deal. A little tricky, but you can work out the fingering slowly. The gotcha is the first note, the F. The right hand wants this F. Well, the left hand wants this F. It's the same key. Both can't have it. Got to share. So you're going to have to decide which hand is going to play that F, and the other hand has to wait. So if the right hand plays it, then the left hand just stays, just hover over it, and then you can play the E at the time. Or if you'd rather have the left hand play it, then have the right hand hover over it and then play the G at the right time. So be aware of that. Decide which thumb you want to do it. I typically will have the right hand do it out of habit because that's usually the melody, and I want the melody to have it. And so, but there's no rule says it has to be one way or the other. You can do the dynamics and all that. Hopefully I don't have to explain it every time. But let's play it together very slowly just to check the notes and the rhythms. So go ahead and put your right hand here, left hand here. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try this out. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 2. 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 off.